Hey there, travel lovers. Welcome back to Travel Hustle. Today, we're diving into the world of professional travel vlogging. If you've ever dreamt of creating captivating and professional travel content that stands out unique in the loads of other content, you're in the right place, and we promise that if you watch this video till the end, we will explore top travel vlogging hacks that will sure stand out from the other content. Stick around as we break down the top 10 hacks to elevate your travel vlogs to a professional level. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel adventures and tips. Let's get started. Number 1, define your niche. First things first, define your niche. Whether it's luxury travel, backpacking adventures, or cultural explorations, having a niche helps you stand out in the vast world of travel content. Know your audience and tailor your content to their interests. Number 2, invest in quality equipment. Investing in the right equipment is crucial for professional travel vlogs. A good camera, microphone, and stabilizer can make a world of difference in the quality of your footage. Do your research and choose equipment that suits your style and budget. Number 3, plan your shots. Plan your shots before hitting the road. Having a shot list and storyboard can help you capture the best moments of your journey. Consider the lighting, composition, and angles to add cinematic flair to your vlog. Number 4, master the art of storytelling. Great travel vlogs are more than just beautiful visuals. Master the art of storytelling. Narrate your experiences, share personal anecdotes, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. A compelling story keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. This is the most important subject in new vlogs, that your audience should be enjoying your story and feel that they are not just seeing your vlogs, but experience the same joy and fun as you are experiencing. Number 5, learn basic video editing. Video editing is a key skill for any travel vlogger. Learn the basics of video editing to enhance your footage. Cut unnecessary scenes, add music, and use transitions to create a polished and professional final product. Make the introduction of your vlog is attractive, that people should feel it worthwhile to watch and curious about the place that you are exploring. Number 6, focus on thumbnail and title creation. Your thumbnail and title are the first things viewers notice. Craft eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles to grab attention. Make sure they accurately represent the content of your vlog to build trust with your audience. You can take the ideas of thumbnails from the different bloggers and content creators, but to make sure not to copy the thumbnail of others, as it is against the YouTube policy. Number 7, utilize social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your travel vlogs. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to share behind-the-scenes moments, connect with your audience, and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Number 8, incorporate B-roll footage. Add depth to your travel vlogs by incorporating B-roll footage. These are additional shots that complement your main footage, providing a more immersive experience for your viewer. B-roll enhances the overall production value of your vlog. Number 9, engage with your audience. Engage with your audience through comments and social media. Respond to questions, ask for feedback, and build a community around your travel adventures. Your audience's input can inspire future content and foster a loyal following. Number 10, stay consistent. Last but not least, stay consistent. Regularly upload content to keep your audience engaged. Consistency builds trust, and it's essential for growing your channel. Set a schedule and stick to it to establish a reliable presence in the travel vlogging community. And there you have it, our top 10 guides to help you create professional travel vlogs. Remember, it's all about passion, creativity, and connecting with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Safe travels, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay curious.